Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a small Aldi haul, and let's jump into the video so we can get started. Here we are starting out with the small, that's a very small bag though, of the Brussels sprouts. So that bag there was $1.09, and you probably need two for a family of four depending if they like it or not. Let's see what else is next. I do have the receipt in my hand, so I'm kind of like looking through it because I want to give you the right prices for where I live now. I live in Pennsylvania, for those of you who didn't know. And okay, so here we are with the block cheese. Those were $1.47 recently, but they went down, I guess, a couple of cents. So they're back to $1.45. And I got Swiss, I got mozzarella, and I got some sharp cheddar. And again, the blocks are cheaper than the bags that you see there. So the ones that were shredded in the bag were $2.59 is what they rang up as. And I did get just the mozzarella. Okay, so that was $2.59 for the shredded and $1.45 for the block. Okay, so I think what we have next is the Deli sliced chicken, and that was the cold cuts that are pre-cuts, and I think that was like the buffalo type flavor. I don't know, my son wanted to try it, so that one, that's the sliced chicken, was $2.99, and I do believe I got him another pack of the smoked turkey, and that one in the package was $3.65. So I believe that's what I'm showing you right here. But that one's sliced differently. It's not like the other one. Okay, let's see what's next. All right, so now we're working over to the steaks. So I did grab, let me see what I have here for steaks. So I did grab 3 sirloin. So I'm just going to give you the prices. One of them, I paid $12.72, which is really a good price. And then there were 2 slightly smaller ones. So one of them was $8.16 and the other one was $9.30. And I think these are beautiful cuts. Okay, so of course some items you're gonna always see that I buy, and this was a new flavor though of the Clancy chips that I bought for my son, and I think that says cheesy garlic bread. And so I just got him one bag just to make sure that he likes it, and that was $1.69. Okay, now this is another item that you're always going to see me buying, and that's the keto-friendly bread. And I don't know if I mentioned before, it is multi-seeded bread and very low carb. So that's $3.99 a loaf. So I always try to pick up 3 to 4 loaves depending on what they have, and that's what they look like. So now we're gonna move on to this size of the heavy cream. It used to only be half of the size, the pint size, I guess, and now they have this quart size. So that again is $2.59. Okay, so here we have the other vegetables that I just pulled out of the bag. So the Brussels sprouts, like I said before, when I pulled out the other bag, was $1.09. And then right behind that, I got a bag of the green beans, and those were 75 cents. Okay, I bought them. I hope my son likes them because I don't really like green beans like that, but let's keep it moving. So now I'm pulling out the chicken cutlets. You really can't beat the chicken cutlets. They come out very clean. They don't have all that fat on them, and you get a lot of cutlets in the package. So I'm just I bought 2 packages, and one was $9.69, and the other one was $9.09. And like I said, that's a great buy for all those cutlets, and you can pretty much cut those in half because they're so thick. But yeah, those were a good buy. Okay, I think I'm pretty much done. That was all that I purchased at Aldi, and I thought I got a good buy on everything. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have a good day, guys.